Hello friends, welcome to Amit B64 YouTube channel. Today my video belongs to very silly but very important content, that is about email. I hope that all of you guys knows about this. This is the email. In this video I am going to show you how to get started with an email by creating an account in Gmail. So you guys know that most of the people, they know how to create an email and how to use it, but still lots of people depends on others for making a mail ID. So in this video, only for those people who still doesn't know how to make an email account. So before start my tutorial, I want to say again that if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it right now, and if you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button and share the videos. So let's go for our new tutorial. For create an Gmail account, you need a computer with internet access and a web browser installed on your computer. So as a browser, we are using lots of browser like a Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So I'm using the Google Chrome. You have to open the Google Chrome web browser. See, when you want to create a Gmail account, you have to follow some step. The first step, open up your internet browser and go to the Google home page, and in this home page you have to write Gmail account. Gmail account. See, so one new interface will come. You have to click here, create a Gmail account. Then another page will open. You have to open another page is like create an account. See, there's lots of criteria here. To set up your new account, Google needs some information about you. First, about your name. So in here you have to put your first name and the last name. So let me put my name, put Amit here. Okay, so you have to go next is choose your username. In this box you have to put a unique email address that you used to use, which will be placed before at gmail.com. so type an email name into the choose your username box. So I can type right like this. So when you put the enter button, you will see that your request is not available here. You will get a message saying that somebody already has that username and they will offering you some alternatives. You can decide to accept one of the alternatives or type it another name and check it availability once more. Right, you can check these alternatives, Amit and 727. So better if you take a note about, if you can write this email ID in your note. Now then you will need to come up with a password so that you can log in securely in your account. Google may explain that you should try one with at least 8 characters long to be secure. Use letters and numbers to make the password more secure, difficult to guess. Fill out the rest of your information. So you have to write password here. Whatever you want you can put it, but it should be strong password. See, here showing password strength is good. If you want to put more long also, it will show excellent. Okay, so you have to reconfirm your password. Okay. After fill up this, you have to fill up this criteria also. You have to put your birth date. So here you have to put month, here is the date, and here is the year. So here you have to put the gender. If you're the male, you have to put male. If you're female, and here you see you can add an existing email address and mobile number to keep your new email secure as well. So for security, you can put your mobile number, and you can put your email ID. This email ID is very important because if you forget your password, you must need it again to recover your password. So this is my existing email ID. After this, you have to select your location. I'm staying in Qatar, that's why I've put here. You have to go for next step. In this page, to get the next step, you will need to accept Google's privacy and term first. Once you have to read it and click on I agree. So you have to read it first very carefully what they want to send. If you agree with them, you just put agree. It will take a bit of time. See friends, after fill up all the criteria, the Google will send you one message like this in the new interface. Welcome Amit, your email address is amit727@gmail.com. So that's mean your email already has make. So you can do one thing, you can note it your email ID and note it your password. Maybe future unit, if you forget, you can easily find out. So after finishing everything, here showing access apps, check information and edit your account. That's mean you when you click in this button, you see like this page. This page, that's mean you have to open your Gmail account, and you already make it, but you have to open that one. So for that you have to put next. It will come another one here, also next, and you have to put next again. This means 4 times you have to put next. Then they will send you a message that is ready to use, go to Gmail. So now you can use, you can check your inbox, you can check if you want to send an email to anybody, you can send it with attachment. If you send mail, you can check it from here. Everything you can do it here. So guys, this is very easy thing. I hope that all of you guys can do. So if you like my video, please give like, and if you need any queries, if you want to know anything else, just inform me. I'll try my best to give you the best information. Okay, so thank you to stay with me.